What is this?
Humid with high
What is that
northwest winds 5
sound?
miles per hour. Becoming southwest
Bro,
in
it
the
sounds like
afternoon.
a squealing
Chance of rain
WR120.
30%.
Or not,
Heat index
120,
values up
100.
to
Look, it's happening on my WR120 too.
humid with lows in the upper 70s.
This is a New Orleans Baton Rouge station, I think, but what is that?
High 90s.
I'm also picking up Lake Charles.
9 knots. Gusting to 10.
I think there's a small chopo right now.
The
But
showers
what is
and
that?
thunderstorms in the afternoon.
What is that? Sounds like a squealing 100. What the
Heat
frick?
index values up to 100.
What is that?
This is the NOAA weather station KIH23 in Morgan City, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. This NOAA weather radio service includes a specific area message encoder for special receivers during emergencies. NOAA weather radio broadcasts 24 hours a day from the National Weather Service New Orleans Baton Rouge area forecast office in Slidell, Louisiana. Our transmitter is located in Morgan City, Louisiana. At 8 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time, or 0000 UTC, the center of Tropical Storm Ernesto
What
was
is
located
that?
near
Like,
latitude